In the shower, slipping, death/dying, and it makes you think of age. Concretely you catch yourself, but not death. You catch yourself. A glimpse, it's you assume a lather and turn up the heat. It's reckless, you say, and that's true, I can't deny it. You keep driving, can't deny it. Unaffected, will deny it. Black is black on the road tonight. Tar is tar, I stick to black. You resume a lather and turn up the heat. On top of the shelf, over there, by the cactus, the dying characters and the fallen dirt. Around it there is a candle that you light so many times a year. You resume a lover and turn up the heat.